Cheese is one of the world's oldest and most widely consumed foods, yet its production relies on carefully controlled scientific and industrial processes. In this video, we'll explore how cheese is made in modern dairy factories, following each step from fresh milk to finished cheese. Cheese production begins with fresh milk, usually sourced from cows, goats, or sheep. The milk is collected from farms and transported to the dairy factory in refrigerated tanks to prevent spoilage. Before processing begins, the milk is tested for quality, temperature, fat content, and safety. Only milk that meets strict standards is approved for cheese production. Once accepted, the milk is pasteurized by heating it to a specific temperature for a controlled period of time. This process eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's natural properties. After pasteurization, the milk may be standardized, meaning the fat and protein levels are adjusted to ensure consistency in the final cheese. The treated milk is transferred to large stainless steel vats. Starter cultures, which are beneficial bacteria, are added to the milk. These bacteria convert lactose into lactic acid, beginning the cheese-making process. Rennet, an enzyme, is then added to cause the milk to coagulate. Over time, the liquid milk thickens and separates into solid curds and liquid whey. Once the curd has formed, rotating blades or wire cutters slice it into small pieces. Cutting the curd allows whey to escape and influences the texture of the cheese. The curds are then gently heated and stirred. Cooking the curds removes additional moisture and helps determine whether the cheese will be soft, semi-hard, or hard. After cooking, the whey is drained away, leaving behind the curds. These curds are transferred into molds that give the cheese its shape. Some cheeses are pressed to remove even more whey, creating a denser structure. The amount of pressure and time used varies depending on the type of cheese being produced. Salt is added to the cheese either by mixing it directly into the curds or by soaking the molded cheese in a saltwater brine. Salting enhances flavor, controls moisture, and slows bacterial growth. It also plays an important role in forming the cheese's outer rind. Many cheeses are aged to develop their flavor and texture. During aging, the cheese is stored in temperature and humidity-controlled rooms for weeks, months, or even years. Natural enzymes and bacteria continue to work inside the cheese, breaking down proteins and fats. This process creates the complex flavors and aromas associated with aged cheese. Once the cheese has matured, it is inspected for quality and consistency. Some cheeses are cut into blocks or slices, while others remain whole. The finished cheese is then packaged in protective materials to maintain freshness and prevent contamination before being shipped to stores. Through precise control of temperature, bacteria, and time, dairy factories transform fresh milk into cheese. Each step plays a crucial role in shaping flavor, texture, and quality, resulting in one of the most versatile and widely enjoyed foods in the world.